Can you guess the country of the car brand? You have 10 seconds to answer. 20 rounds in total. You can pause the video if you need more time. You get 10 points for each correct answer. Count them, and in the end, you'll see what car you deserve. Good luck. Round 1. Toyota is from Japan, known for unbeatable reliability and global popularity. Round 2. Ford is American, famous for its muscle cars and the historic Model T. Round 3. BMW is from Germany, known for sporty performance and luxury driving precision. Round 4. Ferrari is Italian, legendary for its speed and racing heritage. Round 5. Tesla is American, leading the world in electric car innovation. Round 6. Mercedes-Benz is German, known for ultimate luxury and cutting-edge technology. Round 7. Lamborghini is Italian, known for wild designs and extreme supercar performance. Before we continue, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on new car quiz challenge. Round 8. Audi is from Germany, recognized for advanced technology and elegant design. Round 9. Rolls-Royce is British, famous for unmatched luxury and craftsmanship. Round 10. Volkswagen is German, known for practicality, quality, and the iconic Beetle. Round 11. McLaren is from the United Kingdom, known for high-tech supercars and Formula One excellence. Round 12. Lexus is from Japan, famous for comfort and luxury reliability. Round 13. Cadillac is American, known for bold design and classic luxury appeal. Round 14. Nissan is from Japan, known for innovation and performance icons like the GTR. Round 15. Jaguar is British, known for elegant styling and smooth, powerful performance. Round 16. Hyundai is from South Korea, known for stylish design and impressive reliability. Round 17. Pagani is from Italy, known for crafting ultra-rare hypercars. Round 18. Koenigsegg is from Sweden, creators of some of the fastest and most advanced cars on Earth. Round 19. Mini is from UK, known for its compact size and iconic charm. Round 20. Peugeot is from France, known for its rich history and everyday European practicality. Here's your car. Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car quizzes like this one.